Humans explored Australia a long time ago. Our knowledge of world geography is imperfect. The existence of the southern continent has always been a mystery, and explorers are curious. Embark on a journey to find this unknown land. On an ancient voyage, Oceania is depicted as a continent, a sea full of monsters and mysterious powers. These legends inspired the curiosity of countless explorers. They were eager to uncover the secrets of this sea. In the late 15th century, brave Portuguese navigators first embarked on a journey to explore Oceania. They sailed humble sailboats, searching for the legendary island in the vast sea. During one voyage, a Portuguese explorer accidentally discovered the island of New Guinea. The island's stunning scenery and abundant resources amazed them and made them even more determined to explore. In 1606, the Dutch explorer Huygens landed on Cape York Peninsula in northern Australia. This was the first time a European had set foot on the Australian continent. However, he mistakenly thought it was just a new part of Guinea. Later, Captain James Cook, a legend in the history of oceanic exploration, led the endeavor on 3 great Pacific expeditions. Through these, Australia, New Zealand, and many Pacific islands were discovered. During one of his expeditions, Cook also encountered the mysterious Easter Island, where many huge stone statues seemed to whisper ancient stories and legends. With British prisons overcrowded, the government began looking for new places of exile. Australia, a distant and unknown continent, became their target. In 1787, the British First Fleet carried over 700 criminals from the UK to Australia. The following year, they landed in Sydney and began the British colonial history of Australia. The British established their first colony there and named it the City of New Southville. As the colony grew, Sydney gradually became an important city in Australia. The arrival of the Europeans had a huge impact on the Australian Indigenous community. 2 completely different cultures collided on the Australian mainland, creating both blending and conflict. At first, Australia was mainly a place where the UK exiled criminals. But over time, more and more free settlers began to immigrate, seeking new life opportunities. In the early 19th century, agricultural production in Australia began to take off. By the 1850s, the discovery of gold mines triggered a gold rush that boosted Australia's economic development. With the establishment of colonies across the land, fragmentation began to appear. To jointly respond to tariffs, traffic, and other issues, the colonies sought union. After many consultations and efforts, on January 1st, 1901, the Commonwealth of Australia was officially established. The original 6 colonies became states, and Australia was now a unified country. Today, Australia is a multicultural nation with a rich natural landscape and cultural heritage. From bustling cities to peaceful countryside, from modern high-rise buildings to ancient Aboriginal ruins, Australia has a unique charm.
If you love this dive into the past, hit that like button, subscribe for more epic histories.